can you have a WRX look so much like a Crosstrek? Hey Fearless Mods fans, it's Biff, and today we go to the St. Louis Auto Show. It's not LA or SEMA, but we got to see a lot of new cars and Adam LZ. Enjoy. I see a beautiful C8 Corvette and it's in the same color as the Stinger. This is pretty awesome. I walked right past this thing to go to the BRZ, and it legit is the WRX, and I didn't even notice it. Walked right around it. I'm sure it's fun, I'm sure it's nice, but I'm fairly disappointed. All right, we're gonna go over here into Volkswagen and check out, see if they have a GTI. I'm not seeing one at first look.
Give you a quick walk around, show you what is new, what is exciting, and I do have some exclusive prizes I'm going to be giving away. So you're going to meet me here at the Tundra. You're welcome to have a seat.
Yep. I like that tail on it. That looks good. Something I've never heard of, a Polestar over here in $1 Million Row. You can do blue? Which ones? Yeah? You guys have good taste. All right, here we go, getting ready to go out and watch Adam LZ for RTR Racing, doing his first set of demos. This is the last day though here for the St. Louis Auto Show, so he should be in the groove. right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the St. Louis Auto Show. It was a whole lot of fun, and even got to see Adam LZ in person. It's been a couple years, at least a few, since I saw him in Englishtown Raceway, and I'm still even sporting the mask that I bought from his channel probably over a year and a half ago. So thanks for coming to Fearless Mods. Remember to like and subscribe, and come back and watch a lot more of our exciting content and do-it-yourself videos. We'll catch you again real soon. Take care.